Hey everyone, we have some incredibly exciting news to share.
We've been working hard on a major update for the Resolute environment on the LMS, and it's finally here. If you and your learners love Novi, you're going to be blown away with this.
We really wanted to find a new way of engaging with our learners and give them a new virtual environment to interact with Novi.
And we've done it. We've created a whole new system of self-paced challenges. They're designed to be fun, but also packed with educational value. We're talking problem solving, strategic thinking, and real cognitive development.
It's a completely new direction for introducing fun into coding and robotics. So what's new? The first thing that you'll notice is an upgraded virtual classroom environment.
It looks fantastic. It's a full virtual classroom, and right in the middle is a brand new competition tabletop, all set up and waiting for everyone's favorite bot, Novi.
And to make it feel just like a real class, we've added a virtual blackboard. This is a key feature for the new challenges.
I love this part. The blackboard actually has the challenge instructions written on it. It breaks down the problem for the learners just like the teacher would in the classroom.
Exactly. And this all supports the main event, the new self-paced challenges. These challenges have different levels, and thanks to the blackboard, learners have very clear instructions on how to achieve the end goal. They know exactly what they need to do.
But the best part for me is how Novi moves. We've integrated a brand new physics engine.
This is the game changer. It gives Novi life-like motion, making the whole Resolute environment that much more fantastic.
It's more engaging, it's faster, and it's a brilliant new way to visualize coding and robotics.
We're so excited for you and your learners to dive in, explore the new classroom, and take on these self-paced challenges.
Log into the Resolute Education LMS today and check out the new Resolute environment.
Thanks
for watching.